So just for your added interest, I thought I'd provide a worked video example of the question 3 from the tutorial class, which was an example of regression computation. So with the two variables, we have dependent variable y, vigor, on an independent variable x, anger. So the slope is given by the ratio of the joint deviations, sums of squares, over the sums of squares of the independent variable, and has units of y over units of x. By computation, you can use a calculator or Excel. We find that the data that we need is that the sum of the joint variables is 1913. The sum of the independent variable x is 88. Sum of the dependent variable y is 178. And the sums of squares of the independent variable, this is so that you can compute the sums of square deviations, is equal to 1132. For the slope, you don't need sum of y squared. So the slope is equal to So hopefully these formulae are getting pretty ingrained, and so when you evaluate you obtain it's about. But we're not done. This is just the slope. We still need to compute the intercept. And that's equal to the difference of the mean point for the dependent variable minus the slope times the mean point of the independent variable. So the values of the mean points I similarly computed elsewhere. And that's about. And therefore, the anger level gives an output for vigor, that's y hat, of about this is anger, and that's the predicted vigor. And so in particular, if I wanted to evaluate at, say, 10 units of anger, I just plug 10 in. Approximately to one decimal place. So I hope that's useful.